Good morning. Welcome to damp Cornwall this time. Joshua here. Been out on my morning walk and I've been fortunate enough to find yet another beefsteak mushroom, only this one is in much better condition. So I think two halves deserve two recipes. So I'm thinking today we're going to use this bit for beefsteak carpaccio, and then we'll start preparing this bit for beefsteak pastrami. Let's go. Okay, so for the tapenade we start with some Kalamata olives, anchovies, we add some capers and fresh garlic. Next we have some black pepper, Dijon mustard, a little bit of fresh basil, lemon juice. Then we give a good slug of olive oil and we put it into the food presser and make sure that it's extra fine and paste-like. It's looking lovely. Right, next we put the tapenade into a little tub, and this is where we're going to layer our mushrooms up and help cure them for the carpaccio. So slice them as thin as you can. Obviously, the thinner it is, the easier it is to cure, and you get a much better infusion of the flavour, and the texture is far superior. Looking lovely. Spread it out so it's nice and even. Right, pop that in the fridge for 24 hours. And now we begin the plating up. Give the plate a little bit of a wipe, make sure it's nice and tidy. So we're adding some toasted pine nuts for texture, a bit more fresh chopped basil, a little bit of cracked black pepper, and then finally a little bit of olive oil just to garnish it. And there you have it. Right, well, we finally finished our preparation and plating, and here is our beefsteak mushroom carpaccio. I must say it looks pretty authentic. It's pretty amazing how the steak really has taken on the texture of beef. Let's give this a little taste and So those lovely flavours from the tapenade have infused perfectly into that beefsteak mushroom. The basil really adds a good hit of freshness, and the pine nuts add a good bit of texture and crunchiness to the otherwise soft mushroom. Yeah, I'd really recommend this if you like your Italian food. And yeah, definitely be doing this again. Cheers.